Good evening friends. Today we will discuss about how to prevent pregnancy. There are various methods for birth control to prevent pregnancy. A lot of us don't necessarily find it comfortable to take pills or inserting a device into the body. There are natural ways to prevent pregnancy which are discussed here. What birth control method is? A person uses a personal choice, but always remember to stay safe and avoid taking risks. Birth control is the use of practices, medications, or devices to prevent pregnancy. Natural method of birth control or natural family planning or a type of birth control that relies on observations about the woman's body and menstrual cycle. Natural methods of birth control include fertility awareness methods. Examples of natural methods of birth control includes calendar rhythm method, basal body temperature method, and the other one is cervical mucus explanation. The advantages of natural methods includes cost saving, lack of prescription or healthcare visits, avoidance of medications or procedures, and the disadvantages of natural methods are that they can be difficult to use correctly and that sexual intercourse must be avoided at certain times of the month. Now, the natural methods of contraceptions are considered normal because they are not mechanical and a result of hormone manipulation. Instead, these methods are used to prevent pregnancy required that a man and woman not have sexual intercourse during the time when an egg is available to be fertilized by a sperm. The fertility awareness methods, that is FAMs, are based upon knowing when a woman ovulates each month. In order to use a FM, it is necessary to watch for the signs and symptoms that indicate ovulation has occurred or is about to occur. On the average, the egg is released about 14 days. It may be 12 or 13 days also before a woman's next menstrual period because the egg survives 3 to 4 days, 6 to 24 hours after ovulation, and the sperm can live 48 to 7 up to even 5 days in fertile mucus. The actual time during which a woman may become pregnant is measured not in hours, not in days, but in weeks. The first method is calendar rhythm method. This method is used to avoid pregnancy, relying upon calculating a woman's fertile period on the calendar. The calendar method is only about 80% effective in preventing pregnancy, and when used alone, it is considered outdated and ineffective. The next one is basal body temperature method, that is BBT. This method is based upon the fact that a woman's temperature is dropped up to 12 to 24 hours before and released egg is released from her ovary and then increases again once the egg has been released. Unfortunately, this temperature difference is not very large. It is less than 1 degree Fahrenheit, about a half degree Celsius when the body is at rest. To use a basal body temperature as a birth control method, a woman should refrain from having sexual intercourse from the time her temperature drops until at least 48 to 72 hours after her temperature increases again. The third method is mucus inspection method. It depends on the presence or absence of a particular type of cervical mucus that a woman produces in response to estrogen. A woman will generate larger amounts of more watery mucus than usual, like raw egg white, just before release of an egg from her ovary. This called egg white cervical mucus, that is EWCM, stretches for up to an inch when pulled apart. The fourth one is symptothermal method. This method combines certain aspects of the calendar, the basal body temperature, and the mucus inspection method. Not only all these factors are taken into consideration, but also are other symptoms such as slight cramping and breast tenderness. Some women may experience lower abdominal discomfort in the area of the ovaries during release of an egg, that is ovulation. The fifth method is ovulation indicator testing kit. A woman can use an ovulation producing kit to determine when she is most likely to ovulate. This special kit measures the amount of luteinizing hormone in the urine. Because LH promotes the maturation of an egg in the ovary, the amount of LH usually increases 20 to 48 hours before ovulation. This increase is called the luteinizing hormone surge when can then be detected in a woman's urine 8 to 12 hours later. This kit is used to measure the amount of LH in the urine. The sixth one. The sixth one is withdrawal method. Using this method, the man can withdraw his penis from the woman's vagina before he ejaculates, so that the person released from his penis so that the sperm released from his penis doesn't enter her vagina. Withdrawal method is also known as coitus interruptus. The seventh method is lactational infertility. Is based upon the idea that a woman cannot become pregnant as long as she is breastfeeding her baby. Women who are breastfeeding usually start ovulating again between 10 to 12 weeks after delivery. The eighth one is abstinence. Abstinence means not having any sexual intercourse at all. No sexual intercourse with a member of the opposite sex means that there is no chance that a man's sperm can fertilize a woman's egg. Thank you.